Hello, today we will guide you through how to sell your wall art on Payhip. In this walkthrough, we'll take your digital artwork from your computer to a ready-to-sell product on your Payhip store, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. Begin by heading to your Payhip dashboard. This is the home base for your store where you'll manage products, orders, and settings. From the dashboard, look for the Products section. Clicking Products opens the area where all your items live and where you'll add new ones as your catalog grows. At the top right, select Add New Product. Payhip supports different product types, but for printable or downloadable wall art, choose Digital Product. Selecting this tells Payhip to deliver a file download automatically to your customer after purchase, which is exactly what you want for artwork files. Next, choose Upload Product File. This is where you attach the digital file your customer will receive. Common formats for wall art include high-resolution JPG or PNG, and many creators bundle multiple sizes or ratios in a single zip so buyers can print in the format they prefer. Keep file names clear and organized so customers can easily understand what they've bought. Browse to your wall art file on your computer. Navigate to the correct folder, confirm you've selected the final, high-quality version, and make sure the dimensions and resolution match what you intend to sell. When you're ready, click Open to upload. You'll see the file added to your product, and Payhip will handle the delivery after checkout. Now add a title. Choose a clear, descriptive name that reflects the style, subject, and perhaps the mood of the piece. Good titles help customers find your work and set expectations. Keep it concise, but include helpful keywords a buyer might search for. Enter your price. Consider perceived value, complexity, and what similar digital prints sell for. Remember, you can always adjust this later as you learn what resonates with your audience. Transparent, rounded pricing often performs well and keeps checkout straightforward. When everything looks right, the file is attached, the title is in place, and the price is set. Click Add a Product. Payhip will create the product page and connect the file for instant delivery. From here, you can further refine the listing with a compelling description, preview images, and any store branding you've set up, ensuring your artwork is presented beautifully. That's it. You've moved from dashboard to product creation quickly and cleanly, and your wall art is now ready for customers to purchase and download.